So hello ladies and gentlemen, we are in the afternoon session and we are ready to hit take profit on the dollar cut trade, just a few pips away from our take profit, and this will be our first winning trade for the day. And our target profit for this trade, it was just hit, it's $1,000 guys. That's the first trade we have profitable today. Stand by for more trades in the upcoming afternoon session. Thank you.
Hello everybody, hello, welcome back to our new live trading session this afternoon with me and Kyriakos. Welcome back. We had an interesting afternoon. We had a very interesting afternoon, guys. Yes, do you see my screen? Yes, great. We had a very interesting afternoon, and I think the trade war between China and USA has just started. Guys, I don't know if you heard about it, a short update. Trump just announced that he will impose some tariffs on 1,125 products coming from China. And this is quite interesting because 3 weeks ago we thought the tension between China and USA is over, and now 3 weeks after we are here and seeing that the trade war just seems to start. So this news made some movement in the markets and affected a bit the markets. We see a general downtrend on the indices coming from this news. This insecurity made some moves down. Let's see how gold reacted. Gold on this kind of action as a safe haven should put some nice movements up, but we see it's dropping. Why it's dropping? A big amount on gold market is held by China. Yes, it's held by China, and it's affecting the market because I guess people right now are trying to sell their gold depots to secure. And this is where we will jump right now in. We sell gold. We just sold gold, guys. And we see how it will behave during the afternoon. We see it dropped yesterday. It was above 1,300, the magic psychological level, 1,300. Now it dropped significantly below. Now it's at 1,292, and we aim for a much lower level. So let's see where we put our limits. Yes, I see. So my limit is, let's modify it. Hello, Patrick. Welcome. How are you? We just put a short position on gold, just for you to know, and I'm right now trying to modify my limits, and I will put 12,000, 1,290. Yes, you know why? You know, Patrick, why it had a big move, and we are now jumping on the why it happened. Yes, good. Yes, the trade war which just started because of Trump. Uncle Trump made what what we were afraid of. He just kicked again yes, he just pressed the button for the trade war. So this is what happened, and we had a very strong drop on gold price. So our gold position, we opened it at 1,292. Our stop loss is at 1,294, and our take profit is at 1,290. This is our position, the first position of our afternoon session. Welcome back to our afternoon session, and you are with me and Kyriakos. So this is the first thing what we did. Now let's have a look on DAX if we can see any nice entry level here. On Italy 40, if we have something, I don't see a nice pattern to enter. Not yet, but we will. This news will kick off the market. This is clear. This news is kicking off the market. I see Kyriakos is opening nice positions, but I still want to update you about the markets and see if we have any nice possibility, and then we will pass to Kyriakos. Let's see what's going on here. Japan 225 gave us today some profits this morning. Australia gold, we just opened the gold position. For anybody who didn't enter with me the gold position, right now it's quite good price to enter. As you can see, we are in minus, and the price has a short pullback, so you could enter if you like to. Oil is stable around the middle Bollinger Band, so we keep it away. Nice, interesting. So, Patrick, what have you been trading from the last? Yes, Patrick, we had a big movement on the indices this afternoon, and it hit us a bit. That's true, that's true. But this belongs to the trader's life, you know that. We are looking right now for good entry levels. That's why I didn't set yet any position on indices, but I'm on it. So I'm passing Patrick, no worries, we will get. Yes, that's true. It was a very unexpected announcement of Trump, because as I said at the beginning, 3 weeks ago we thought the trade war is out of fashion and nobody will think about it, and today out of the blue he imposed tariffs to 1,000 products coming from China, and this hit the market like a small bomb, and we see how we will make it. Yes. Patrick. So I see Kyriakos is ready to shoot with his nice trades. I'm passing right now to Kyriakos to update. Hello, Stephen. Welcome to our session. Until now, you didn't miss much. We opened one gold position a short position on gold. If you like to enter it, the price is still in a reasonable level where you could enter with us. So feel free. Now I'm passing to Kyriakos. Have fun with him.
Thank you very much, Elif, for the pass. Welcome, everybody. Good afternoon. These are the trades that have, you can see my screen, right? Excellent. Hello and welcome to this afternoon session of Trademy. This is Kyriakos Kailaou from the Forex Trading Desk. Good afternoon, Patrick. Just a quick update before we talk about trades that Mohamed Salah was not in the starting lineup of Egypt. Currently the score, Egypt Uruguay is 0-0, guys. That's a quick update regarding the World Cup. Mohamed Salah is still injured and he didn't start up the match. So coming back to our trades, we have 2 positions left, and since the morning we have just closed a few minutes ago our first winning trade for today from the morning, which was around $950. You think so, Patrick? So as you can see, our losses for the day have dropped below 5,000 from the morning trading session. Now, however, it's a different story. We are in the afternoon trading session, and the new trades we have opened is that we have opened another long position on dollar yen. It seems that here the market is making a bottom. That is, we are going now with 10 lots long dollar yen. We have opened a long position because it seems that the uptrend, the newly established uptrend, seems to hold, of course, with a very tight stop loss. We have shorted euro dollar because after the announcement we have observed a sudden strengthening of the dollar against the euro, but then as you can see it recovered a bit. I believe that this high will be the end of euro dollars today, at least uptrend, and now we will expect a correction most probably towards these levels. So that's why we have shorted it and we have placed our stop loss a bit above this top here. Now, dollar CAD, our winning trade for the day. I think dollar CAD is over exaggerating right now. All the indicators are in overbought levels. However, we have said that, okay, Patrick, if you lost $2,500 for today, then you need to stop trading. Okay, stop trading. You have reached your maximum loss target. You must stop trading. I mean, okay, excellent. So coming back to dollar CAD, okay, we believe that is overextended and a correction is probable. However, we are trading now against the trend, which is very dangerous, but we will give it a try. Patrick, okay, I'm transferring you to Elif and I will come back, Patrick.
Guys, our gold trade, which we opened exactly 10 minutes ago, is making right now $1,500, $1,700, 1,000, 2,000 bucks, 2,000 bucks, 2,000, and it hit take profit, ching, ching. We made 2,500 bucks on our gold position, guys. This is a good start in the afternoon session for anybody who traded with me. Gold, we just hit our take profit. So, Kyriakos, sorry for the interruption. Please continue.
No problem at all. So we just got $2,000 trade in just 5-6 minutes from gold trades. So coming back to the Forex technical analysis and the trades that we have placed today, regarding Patrick, if you want to give it a try, go for it, but be careful because you have reached your maximum drawdown for the day. My suggestion is stop trading for the day. So this is dollar CAD. We have also opened a short position on Aussie dollar. We see that we have a second short position on Aussie dollar. So total we go with 10 lots on Aussie dollar short positions. We see that the dollar strength has came back to the game. Pound dollar, we have also initiated a short position. I personally don't believe that this resistance level of 132.80 82, 132.85 to 90 will break to the upside. It has entered the consolidation phase. That's why I have tried to short it. Dollar CHF, we have entered a long position because I believe in dollar strength. And here, if you measure this distance, is also from the lows to the highs of the market is the 61.8% Fibonacci retracement level, which is very strong in combination with the bullish cross of stochastic. The other trade that we have entered a long position on pound Aussie. Aussie, generally speaking, indicates weaknesses. However, we will see how it reacts against the pound. And we have entered the short position on pound CHF, which is doing okay for the moment. Just a quick update. We are 10 lots. This is the 5 lots from the morning on dollar yen. And we have opened another 5 lots this afternoon, long dollar yen. And we also have 10 lots short Aussie dollar. We will see how it goes. We closed a profiting trade on dollar card around $950. We will see how it goes, guys, and I will update you accordingly. So for the moment, for those who have just arrived, and I would like to welcome them. Good afternoon, Matthew. We have placed also this afternoon our 9 trades. Some of them are the same positions in the morning. Some of them now differ. Nice to see you as well, Jake. And welcome to Trademy's afternoon live trading room. In the morning, we didn't have a very good morning. We had a realized losses of around $5,000. However, we have closed our only winning trade, $950. Currently, we are down in the Forex, $4,700. But now we are in the afternoon session. Anything can happen, and we believe in a recovery. You need to learn that trading has good days and bad days. Don't let your emotions disappoint you. Invest in education, have a disciplined money management rule, and you can do it. Of course, we are always here with you to assist you. So if you wish to have any one-to-one session with me or with Elif, please be my guest. Elif, you want to give you a pass? Okay, I'm passing you to Elif.
Shortly, guys, I opened another short position on gold. You know, we just closed a gold short position with $2,700 profit within 10 minutes. And now I opened another gold position. Gold is going crazy and I'm going with gold short. For anybody who didn't manage to enter our second position on gold, now it's a perfect time. If you like, you can enter with me now again on gold and make some profits. We closed a gold position with $2,700 profit. So guys, if you want to enter with me, now it's a good time to enter a gold position. The price is now more in your favor. So feel free from this part. As you know, why the markets are, when you ask yourself why the markets are going so crazy right now, for all of you who didn't manage to follow the news in the afternoon, Trump pressed the button for the next trade war. He imposed tariffs to 1,102 products coming from China, and this is a huge bump in the trading world. So I guess the European markets are right now in a downtrend because of the fear that Europe will be the next destination of this kind of tariffs. So everything is a bit in a downtrend, a slow downtrend. So that's why I will go short on DAX as well. I'm going short on DAX because the trend is a slow downtrend, and yes, I'm short on DAX. I put now my target prices. So there we go. I put my target prices. Let me write it down, guys. So we are short on DAX, short, and we entered at 13,009, and our stop loss is at 13,038, and our take profit is at 12,993. So this is our third position, which we opened here in our live trading session in the afternoon. We had a gold position for everybody who just entered. I see Joanna, Karen, Matthew, you just entered. I saw you couldn't get. Hello, George. Welcome, George. So yes, we had a very nice trade on gold. We made 2,700 bucks in 10 minutes. Now we are again short on gold, and we are short on DAX. No worry, if you want to enter again gold, George, the price is having right now a short pullback, and you would get a better price if you enter right now the gold position. So let me see if we can find also a nice entry on Italy 40 to enter the market. But to be honest, I don't see a nice entry point here. So until now, we will stay with these two trades on gold and DAX. The reason why the market is getting so crazy is Uncle Trump. Yes, he pressed the button of the next trade war. He pressed the button, and European indices are driving us crazy because of the worry what will happen next. So maybe China will press the button as well and say, hey guys, I'm putting also some tariffs in all European products and in all US products, and then maybe also Trump say, you know what, also the Europeans, they will get some tariffs and everything is going crazy. However, so this is from my side right now. If you are still interested, this is, yeah, it sounds volatile, and we like volatility and liquidity, right, George? Yes. So I will pass now to Kyriakos. He has some updates, and you will be back with me shortly.
Okay, guys, let me share my screen. We just unfortunately hit another stop loss for today on euro dollar. As you can see, we just hit our stop loss at 116.238. We are down for the day $5,700. And let's see what the other trades are doing. Pound Aussie, we have entered long positions and the price didn't move as expected. It's falling now. We will see how it goes. Our euro yen trade is doing well, closely approaching our take profit level. We have entered the second buy position on dollar yen, and total we have 10 lots on dollar yen, one in the morning and one in the afternoon. We will see what happens. We finish for euro dollar for the day. Dollar CAD is doing okay for the moment. It's falling. Let's hope that this was the end of this uptrend for today. We believe that we will have a correction to the downside. Aussie dollar, we have entered a second short position on Aussie dollar. Aussie dollar didn't move today. I mean, look at that. It's not a good day for the currencies. I mean, when you don't have movements and when the intraday trend reverses, it's one of the bad days. Okay, so now pound dollar, we have entered a short position again on pound dollar. It was up, it went down, now it goes up again. It seems to form a resistance line here. That's why we have given it a short position try, and we are targeting the lower trading range of this sideways movement. Dollar CHF, we have entered a long position here. For the moment, again, this pair today open here, went up, went down, went up, and then again down, and we will give it a try for a long position. Pound Aussie, as I said, we are trying to survive, not to hit stop loss. Most probably this is a consolidation for further upside movement. And pound CHF, we have shorted it. At least pound CHF shows a very short-term downtrend, and that's why we have given it a try for a short position. So this is what we have done on Forex. Remember that, as Elif mentioned very well, Trump announced a $50 billion on tariffs on Chinese products. This, I suspect, it will cause a lot of volatility, especially in the Forex market, a lot of uncertainty in the Forex market. And we believe that Forex trading will become the next few months much more interesting in terms of volatility, which is this is what exactly we are asking for. I mean, if the markets are not volatile, you cannot make money. And what do I mean when I say volatile? Open, go down or up, and then follow the trend. On euro dollar, see what happened today, for example. Open here, went up, then bam, bam. Euro yen doesn't give us a clear shot. However, we have given a long position shot for the moment. The price, as we can see, is closely approaching our take profit, which is at $1,130. We will see if we will hit that take profit. On the other hand, pound Aussie is very close to our stop loss. We will monitor that and see what happens. We have entered here. We follow this short-term uptrend. We believe in that break, but we will see what happens. So coming back to our euro yen, is closely approaching our take profit level. Is just 6 pips away. Most probably we will have our second winning trade for the day. And we will closely monitor that with you now live in the trading room. Currently we are making around $800 from euro yen. We are aiming for a bit more than 1,000. Remember that our risk reward ratio for each trade we place is for the loss of $1,000 approximately, and for a reward of $1,250 approximately. So I would like to ask you, how do you find the Forex markets today? Has anybody made money today from Forex? Who followed me on euro yen, for example? Has anyone followed on euro yen? Not you. Okay, George, thank you for the response. Anybody else followed us on euro yen? Okay. As I said, exactly. Okay, you don't have margin, then you should not increase your leverage. Very good, George. So if not, no worries. Plenty of trading opportunities, especially in the Forex market. As we said in the morning, we are placing 9 trades on 9 different pairs, and in the same pairs, we are placing again 9 trades in the afternoon session. And at the end of the day, we make our profit and loss. Currently, the day for the morning was not so good for us. As you can see, we had a number of series of losses, but slowly, we will start to recover, I believe. We have hit our first profit trade for today, although we have lost euro dollar again for the second time. And now we have our existing positions on the pairs that you see right now in front of you. You are short on dollar yen, Matthew. Okay, why not? We have entered, however, 2 positions long dollar yen. At which price did you shorted it, Matthew? What was your entry level price for dollar yen? $1,110,416. All right. Okay. The moving, you see the middle band of the Bollinger Bands. Okay. be careful on that. If it doesn't hold and breaks above it, then most probably the price will move much higher. So be careful with that. If you see a penetration of this Bollinger Band, you need to rethink your position, okay? But for the moment, it looks nice, and also our position looks nice. We have entered long positions. We will see at the end who survives. I believe that here we had a strong support level of dollar yen. 1, 2, 3, 4 touches. If it holds, it will and breaks this middle Bollinger Band, I believe it will go up. However, by examining the current probabilities, it seems that the short position can survive. However, be careful because MACD, stochastic and RSI have given bullish signals. It seems that we have closed another losing trade, pound Aussie, $747. This raises our losses to $6,486 for the moment, but we need to wait until the end of the afternoon session. Anything can happen. Our euro yen trade now is approaching our take profit level once again. 5-minute chart. 5-minute chart, Matthew. So our euro yen trade now is doing well. That will be our second winning trade for the day, and the $1,000, 1,000 and a bit more. We are just moments away from hitting our take profit. However, as I will repeat myself, never party unless you hit TP. So remember that in this strategy, our reward to risk ratios are $1,000 risk for $1,250 profit. It means that in order for us to be in a profit, we need a 55% success rate. So far, unfortunately for the day, we don't have it. However, we are still very optimistic that the losses can be significantly recovered, and why not end the day in a profit. So we are monitoring euro yen is getting very close now to our take profit. We are just 4.5 pips away. This is the trade I'm talking about, currently making us $980. And you must always be patient. Don't panic. Don't get disappointed by losses. Like myself for today, I have 6,000 losses. I'm not disappointed. You need to control your emotions. Have in mind that when you start trading on a professional basis, you will have your good days and you will have your bad days. Don't expect every day to be perfect. And now we have just closed euro yen take profit, and we have made another $1,130. And our losses now for the day have decreased to $5,355. Now we are looking for the next trade that will close either with a loss or with a profit. We are very confident that we will recover all the losses of morning, and most probably we will end the day in a loss. Of course, only time will show. Let me go a quick round of what we are doing. We have 10 lots long dollar yen. These are 2 positions. One position was entered in the morning, 9 a.m. And the second position was added this afternoon. It happened to be at the same level. We have 10 lots short Aussie dollar. We have entered 1 in the morning and 1 in the afternoon. We have shorted dollar CAD. Let's see what dollar CAD is doing. We suspected that this might be the top for the day. So far we are right. We just need a bit more correction for our take profit to be heated. We have shorted as well pound dollar, and we believe that this resistance was tested too many times and not broken, and that's why we have shorted it with a very strict stop loss of 20 pips, aiming at the lower band of the trading range. Also, we have bought USD CHF. It's like dollar yen is forming a base here, 1, 2 touches, 3, 4 touches. Let's see how it goes. If it breaks below this level, then the chances are against us. And lastly, we have shorted pound CHF, is more or less where we got it on the middle band of the Bollinger. So don't panic, guys. This is how Forex is. This is how markets are. Some days we will be in profit. Some days we will be in losses. Some days we will make big losses. Some days we will make big profits. The key is for you to manage your emotions and, of course, to manage your risk management policy and trust your system. So this is the Forex update for the moment. We have closed live together a 1,000 plus trade on Euro Yen this afternoon. That was our second winning trade for the day. And we will closely monitor the markets and let you know if we hit any stop losses or take profits live here in the trading room of Trademy.com. Now, another thing that I want to mention is that you need, if you want to upgrade or get into our educational training programs, the only thing you need to do is very simple, is to visit our website at trademy.com, contact our educational support team, and they will guide you as to which training program is the best for you in terms of value and money. And what do I mean by that? Not everybody has the same trading experience. Not everybody has the same trading style. That's why our variety of training programs vary. And they are not only for amateurs, they are also for people who have 3 years of experience, 5 years of experience, 10 years of experience in the Forex markets. So it's not just academic, they also concentrate on practical trading theory. And of course, I will mention it for 100 times today, we have very good money management and risk management courses, which is the key to the kingdom for me. And of course, at any time, you can book a one-to-one session to discuss the issues, to discuss your risk management policies, to design together the trading system that best suits you, either with me or with my wonderful colleague, Elif, who monitors now the indices like a hawk and gold like a hawk. And I'm sure she is ready for even more profits for today. But I will not go to Elif yet because she's studying very hard now the markets to identify trading opportunities for us and for you for today. So don't forget also to visit us on Twitter at Trademy. You can of course subscribe to our YouTube channel at Trademy Trading Academy, and of course you can like our Facebook page, and we will provide you in a few moments all the details of how to do that. Now, do you have any questions regarding any indicator or any technical analysis that you have seen in front of you and you didn't understand what it is? If yes, we now have plenty of time to discuss it and to explain some things, how we apply them on practice and what is the difference between theory and practice. I have a few minutes now available for you to answer any questions you have regarding technical analysis indicators on Forex. So please type on the chat room here any questions you have regarding technical analysis. I will be more than glad to answer them, since now it seems that the markets are very quiet and we have nothing new to add, unless if you leave. How do you, okay, we have Aber, welcome. I will transfer now to Elif. She has an urgent trade. It's okay? So I will answer Amber's question then. How do you put support line? It's not as simple as just drawing lines on the chart. Let me put an 8K chart, Amber, and I will explain you how I put support lines. The very basics, of course. Let me delete all the oscillators. Remember that whenever you're analyzing an instrument, have naked charts, okay? No indicators, no nothing. Generally speaking, support levels is any bottom or top or area that is below the current market price. So a support level, for example, cannot be above the current market price. And you try to identify which levels have been tested the majority of the times. For example, you can see that here, around this area, it was tested 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, too many times. So for me, this area here, $4 yen, for example, on the 1 hour chart, I'm just explaining now very briefly, it's a very strong support area, much stronger than this area. Why? Because here the market reacted most recently to this support area. Resistance area, for example, for dollar yen, for me personally, will start from here above the current market price up to here. This is a resistance area. So, and you can see how the market today reached the resistance area and dropped down. Look at this. So that was a very good short position. So this is very briefly how we define support and resistance areas. We have very good courses about identifying support and resistance areas. Amber, in which training program are you now? What training program are you enrolled in? Okay, I'm transferring you to Elif. Answer me on the chat room. Amber, go Elif.
Hey guys, welcome back. We are making our next profit, guys. We are making our next profit. Our gold position is making right now 4,400 bucks. Guys, what do you think? Anybody with me in gold? Anybody with me in gold? Yes, Jenna. Yes, you are. Let's wait. I want the 5K out of it. I want 5K. And there we go. I close. Jing, jing. 5K on, on gold. Today we made 7K on gold. The first one we made it just with the first trade we made 2.5K, 2,700K on gold, and now we closed another one 5K position. It's the biggest position which we closed in our trading session. Is this good, guys? Are you proud? Yes, Jenna, I'm very, very happy that you made also some profits. George, congratulations. We smell the money, right, guys? We smell the money. This is how we want to be. This is what we want to make. So our DAX position is still going, and on gold. Gold has a very strong downtrend today, very strong. And what I do, I go in when the market pulls back. You see, I went in when the market pulled back, and then I closed it on the peak. And this is what I will continue doing. I will go in, go out, go in, go out. That's why I don't open more position than what I have right now to have the flexibility on my margin. So because I see here on gold a perfect possibility today, in this afternoon, in this tension, to make some money, guys. This is what I see, and that's why I'm not entering right now any other position, to keep my margin free, to open positions on gold when there is a pullback. Right now there is a pullback, but I see that there's still some space for pullback, and enter it when the market goes down again. This is what I do, and we get small profits in very short time, and close the position. This is my strategy today. So I see a lot of people are offline right now. What's going on? Karen, Matthew, guys, are you there? Anybody there? You listening to me? So guys, anybody there? Just answer me when you are there. So, however, I will check still my chart right now to see if I see a second possibility to enter. Enter. What you think? What you think? فقربسو dismeris. So, let me see if I see something. Let me see. What did they so offline, all of them apparently. Oh, I'm checking. I'm looking for my next possibility to enter the market. We have a pullback. I'm looking the pullback to get a bit stronger to enter again. Great, great, great. Let me see. It looks interesting. We will enter the market again on gold. Guys, I'm going in again on gold. I'm going in again on gold. I'm waiting. What's this? Okay, I see there is the downtrend is very extreme. I see a very extreme, strong downtrend, and I want to enter. It's burning in my fingers, guys. I think I'm going now. Yes, I'm going now short on gold. I went short on gold. And as I said, I'm aiming for small movements to get my profit and get out. So my take profit is at 12,080. So 1,280, and my stop loss is at 1,291. So there we go, guys. We put another short position on gold. This is what we do today. We will enter the market, exit the market, enter the market, exit the market until we get our money in. We get some money in. We got today already 7K out of gold. A nice moment. Let me see. So my stop loss, I entered gold short on 1,285. My stop loss is at 1,291, and my take profit is at 1,280. This is my trade now. And for anybody who didn't manage to enter with me, the trade right now, the price is in a better position, so you can enter. So far from me, this is so far from me. I'm having still an eye on DAX. We have a DAX position. As I said, DAX makes very slow movements today, but the trend is down. So we have a short position, very slow. Italy 40, the same, not big movement, but we are keeping it on. I will pass now to Kyriakos. He has some updates, and then we see what we will do.
Thank you, Eli, for the pass. Currently, it seems that our afternoon session will be much better than the morning session. Okay. So currently we have an unrealized profit of $1,800. We only have two losing trades. Let's quickly go a quick round around our trades. Remember that we have opened two positions of 5 lot each on dollar yen. Dollar yen is doing fine. It seems that this bottom here and here is holding very strongly. We have closed our euro yen with take profit. Dollar CAD, we suspect that this was the top for the day. However, what did right now, I don't like it. It has rebound back, but we will see what happens. Our stop loss is a bit above this top and above the upper Bollinger Band. So we will keep it there and see what happens in the end. Aussie dollar, we have entered the second short position on Aussie dollar, targeting this price here. We don't want to see a high higher than this. It's doing great for the moment. Our current unrealized profits is a bit above 2,000 euros, but is unrealized. Okay, we will be patient and see what we will do with them. Our pound dollar confirms that most probably this resistance level here of the trading range most probably will hold, and the price is closely approaching our take profit level. Dollar CHF is the same pattern as dollar yen. They are moving more or less at the same direction and is a bit above our entry level. We don't want to see a close below this bottom. And our pound Aussie trade was triggered, and our pound CHF didn't move at all for the moment. It all depends about pound dollar. I mean, if you look at pound dollar, it is more in this afternoon session is driven more by what pound dollar does. So if pound dollar falls, we expect also a fall on the pound CHF pair. So we are closely monitoring the trades. Let's see which trade is closer to a profit. As you can see now, the majority of our trades are in profit. Currently, we are a bit above $2,500. Remember that our realized losses from the morning until now, we just 2 successful trades are currently standing at minus $5,350. However, now in the afternoon session, we are already recovering half of the losses. I believe that most probably we will recover all the losses, and why not turn positive? Of course, only time will show, and we will see it here live today in Trademy's live trading room. So we are monitoring now on the screen the pound CHF trade. Let's have a random roundup. The prices have stuck for some reason at the same levels for the last few minutes. The dollar CAD is more or less where we have shorted it. Aussie dollar is moving very slowly to the downside. We want to see a break on Aussie dollar. This will give us around $2,500 profits on Aussie dollar, since we have 2 positions of 5 lots each. So that's 2,500 profit on Aussie dollar if we hit our take profit, and of course our risk is 1,000 per position, so we are risking 2,000 to get $2,500. We will see what happens though. So far nothing has happened until we hit take profit. Euro dollar has been within this narrow trading range for the past few hours. Dollar CHF has the same behavior as dollar yen. As you can see, it has dropped. Look at these bottoms here. We don't want to see close below these bottoms, and also on dollar yen. The good thing is that they have both penetrated upwards the middle band of the Bollinger Bands. Now dollar CHF is testing it again. We will see how it behaves. And pound CHF has finally decided to move a bit towards our favor. However, the move is very minimal. Currently, we are monitoring the markets. We don't have any updates, so we will stay with you. Hello, Patrick. Can you hear us? Internet is back. Okay, we saw many of you going offline, and we are wondering what was wrong. Now that the internet is back, and I will wait for 1-2 more people to enter the room, and I will make again a quick roundup of what we are doing. We are in the afternoon session currently, and we are making from the Forex market unrealized profits a bit more than $2,500. We are monitoring now on the screen the pound CHF trade. It seems that pound dollar is our best performer for the moment, so let's switch to the pound dollar. We are just a few pips away from our $1,250 take profit trade. We are making $2,800 for the moment. Our aim is to fully recover our losses from the morning session, which are minus $5,350. We believe that we can do it. And this is what we are trying to do in this afternoon session, and even turned into profits. So we are monitoring now pound dollar, which is our best performer. As you can see, almost all of our trades are currently winning positions. So get ready for our third profitable trade for today on pound dollar. We are just very few pips away from our take profit price. You don't need to stress, you don't need to worry. Trust your system, trust your money management rules, and as you know very well, in Forex and in all markets, we have the profits, we have the losses, we have the good days, we have the bad days. If you know what you are doing, at the end, you will be a very profitable and successful trader. For example, myself, currently I'm losing $5,000. I don't care. I mean, I know that at the end we will recover and we will make some wonderful profits in the future. Like now, the day has not yet ended and the party is not yet over. We will go for a recovery. So pound dollar is just 7 pips away from our take profit. Yes, George, the same is life as well. Sometimes you have a good relationship with your wife, sometimes you don't and you are looking for a girlfriend. Exactly is the same Forex. So I'm not drunk, don't get me wrong. No, I'm sure you are not. Just a quick update, because many of you are asking me. I think the match of Egypt and Uruguay ended and we had a draw, I think 0-0, right, Elif? Let me check. We had a draw on the, no, 0-1 Uruguay. Uruguay scored a goal and is now leading 0-1. We are in the 4th minute of the additional extra time. So we have a lead of 0-1 to Uruguay. Don't forget, of course, that Egypt was playing without Mohamed Salah, the star of Egypt. So we have just ended. You see here we are updating you live also for the World Cup. So if we have any football fans, stay with us. You don't know him, George. So I'm sure you are a Liverpool supporter, right? I know you are team in England. It's Manchester United, correct? Arsenal, okay. George, I'm sure with your Manchester United, I knew it all along because you don't know, you supposedly you don't know Mohamed Salah. All right, currently we have around $3,000 unrealized profits. As you can see, the majority of our trades are currently in winning positions. However, it's not our policy to close any positions unless they hit a take profit. Pound dollar is getting ready and it is our best performer, currently plus a bit more than $700. As I said, we believe that this resistance level will hold and shortly we will touch our take profit level. Now let's go around up again. What are the other pairs are doing? Dollar yen has stalled. It doesn't move. We have 2 positions of 5 lots each. Pound dollar started to move again. Now it went up again. We will have a look at it later. Euro yen, we don't have a position. We have entered a short position. Elif?
Yes,
Okay.
guys. Yes, guys. Hello, welcome back. Welcome back. We hit a third take profit on gold with 2,800 bucks. Guys, we hit another take profit on gold. It just closed. I think you guys were not online when I closed the second position on gold with $5,340 on profit. Then we opened immediately another short position on gold and we just hit another take profit of 2,800 bucks on gold. And now it's great. Patrick, you lost $600 on gold. How come? Gold is dropping. You were short or not? Gold is dropping. Ah, you bought. I see. No, gold is in a very, very strong downtrend, and I think you were offline when I was explaining what my strategy today is. I'm entering gold, getting profits, closing the position, and after a pullback, I'm opening again. This is what my strategy is. And I see also Kyriakos has right now a nice trade. I'm passing to you guys.
Okay, guys, it seems that we will hit our third winning trade for the day on pound dollar. One moment to share my screen. Here it is. As you can see, the price has approached very closely to our take profit level, and most probably we will have our third winning trade. Currently, our unrealized positions are standing a bit more than $3,000. As you can see now, all trades are winning trades. We don't have a single losing trade. That was not the case in the morning. So we will be patient and wait for the profits to come, and they will come, we believe, in our trading system. So we are monitoring now. Pound dollar is getting very close to our take profit level. Let me put the 1 minute chart so that we can all enjoy it. Who followed me on the pound dollar trade? I would like to know that, please. Okay, the platform went crazy. Just a moment. Okay, here we are. So we are just a few pips away. We don't have any losing positions. Currently, we are plus a bit more than $3,500. But as you can see, I don't have any emotions on that. Of course, I'm happy. But you need to control your emotions and always be patient, because at any moment anything can change. The party can start only if you hit a take profit, guys. And since we believe in our system, we believe that pound dollar is getting very close to give us our $1,250 trade. So stay with us, and of course, Elif, you can interrupt me at any time you wish. We will be monitoring now the pound dollar trade patiently to drop and reach our take profit, and we are getting there. That's it. Come on, a bit more. We are getting there, guys. It's just the spread difference now. We want the ask price to reach 583. It's just the spread, and we will be patiently waiting for this to happen. In the meantime, let me go around the, okay, it tries again. Come on. We are talking about the $1,250 trade. Elif has just shorted gold again. Stop loss 1287, take profit 1282. Stay with me. However, we are just 3 pips away from our take profit on pound dollar. I repeat, we have just shorted gold. Stop loss 1287, take profit 1282.50. So we are marginally away from our take profit level. Come on, we are just 4 pips away. A lot of volatility now. What's going on? Okay, we will wait and see if we will hit take profit. Elif, if you want, you can take the screen.
Guys, thank you, Kyriakos. Guys, I just opened again a short position on gold. As I said, gold is in a very strong downtrend, and I'm entering the market when there is a short pullback to sell again, and I'm selling, and right now it's making 1,080 bucks on gold within 3 minutes. Not bad. Not bad, guys. This is what we do today. We trade gold. We close the position, we take profit, and when there is a small pullback, we enter it again to a better price to sell it again. This is what we do, and we closed today on gold already 3 positions in a total of, let me see, let's calculate. Okay, there we go. I closed today in total 10,840 bucks. $10,840 on gold in the last 1 hour of trading, guys. Hello, Jake. Thanks. Nice to see you as well. It's always nice to see you guys here, right? Very nice. So anybody who didn't enter with me gold, my fourth trade today on gold, if you didn't enter now, it's you would get a better price to go now short on gold. Yeah, we had a huge ching ching, Jake. We had a ching ching on one position of $5,340. Yeah, you missed it. But this is what we did. Now it's a perfect moment to enter again on gold. If you go now short on gold, it's a perfect time to enter and get the money. We have a strong pullback, guys. We have a strong pullback. Very strong pullback, and the price, yes, a very strong pullback, but we will get it is a strong downtrend, so the pullback, it's just a matter of time until it will return. So anybody who didn't enter with me, Jake, if you like, feel free to enter now short on gold. It's great moving and we will make money. The strategy of today, since we saw this very clear pattern of a downtrend on gold, we make profits. We make profits from I'm short. You see, gold has a very strong downtrend. This is the 1 hour chart. This is the 1 hour chart, and you see how strong the downtrend is. For the last 2 hours, an extreme downtrend. This candle is just 3 minutes old. So this candle, it's on the 1 hour chart. It's just 3 minutes old. Ignore it. Gold is a short day, and if you enter it right now, you will get even a better price and a really good price to go short. So guys, really, it's a perfect trading day on gold. And you know what happened and why this is happening right now? It's because of Uncle Trump. Uncle Trump was again telling us some news and making the markets to fly or to, yeah, Golden Trump, like his hairs, right? George. Okay, when we decide that we will go back, okay, what will, mostly after such big movements, what is happening? We are entering a very narrow trading pattern. This is what is happening after these kind of strong movements. And once we arrive these narrow trading patterns, you will see that the Bollinger Bands, they will build up a cloud and become a narrow trading area, almost parallel to each other, like in this area over here. And then we will see a breakout. This is what will happen, and this will show us somehow the trend reversal. But right now, it doesn't show at all something like that. What will happen is basically it will break out. Let's say it's not in the same extent, but here you can see it. We had big movements on gold, and then it turned to be this rangy movement here, and then it had a breakout again. And this is what will happen, and this will give us the signal that the trend has stopped. So still there is huge movement there, still a lot of activity. So that's why what we do, we enter short, take our profits and enter again, take our profits and enter again when there is a pullback. And for anybody who didn't enter with me gold, now it's a perfect time to do so and get a better price on gold to go short now. So This is from my trading strategy right now and today. Until now, we closed three positions, and we make in total out of this three position 10K on gold. A really nice afternoon, and we have right now our fourth position open. It's pulling back, guys. It's pulling back. No worries. It's pulling back and giving you the possibility of entering with a better price. So yes, Kyriakos, do you want to add something on this?
Thank you very much, Elif. Nothing happened on Forex while Elif was talking. I see here some questions. George, you say, when is it for me or for Elif? Your question. Just a quick update of what we are doing so far in Forex. Our pound dollar trade was not closed with a take profit, and the market rose to the upside a bit. We will wait and see how it goes. We are performing very well, I believe, this afternoon. Currently, we have recovered our losses. It was around 6,000. Now we are at a bit above $5,300. Our unrealized profits for the afternoon session, that we believe that it will be a very nice afternoon session. Don't be surprised this amount to turn even positive for today. Of course, this is what our belief is, and this is what we should try and do for you this morning. Let me go around the pairs. Dollar yen is well above the middle band. No worries there. It's a bit above our 10 lots position size. We have two positions on dollar yen, two long positions, as you can see here. We don't have any positions on euro yen and euro dollar. We have a short position on dollar CAD. It didn't move. It's consolidating there. Hopefully it drops down. We will see what happens. We don't want to see a break above this level. Aussie dollar is doing okay. We have 10 lots, two positions of 5 lots each on Aussie dollar, targeting a bit lower. We want to see a break below this level to celebrate. Also, we have a short position on pound dollar, the one that we were monitoring before. Unfortunately, didn't close. I believe the market will try and drop again, and we will see how it reacts. We also have a long position on dollar CHF. It goes up, it goes down. Not a clear trend. Just to imagine now is where it has opened this morning. We will see what happens with dollar CHF. And that's it basically from the updates regarding Forex. We are monitoring everything, and we will let you know. You will stay with us until at least 1 more hour. Do you have any questions you would like to ask me or Elif regarding our positions? Okay, I see that, George, you have questions with Elif. I will transfer you to Elif and let you know if I have any updates.
So, George, yes, you are worried about the pullback right now on gold because you are short on gold, right? No, George, don't be worried about it. As I said, gold is in a very strong downtrend today, and it will, yes, it will cover how much you made you went with me to the 3 other trades as well, right? So on those 3 trades I made 10K. Okay, I made more than 10K, 10,800 I made. Now there is a pullback, and what we do is that once okay, George, you made 1 trade, right? You opened 1 trade. So yeah, the second one you had a disconnection, and that's why you couldn't get the entry point. Okay, no problem. So what we do is gold has a very strong downtrend currently, And within the downtrend, it has always a short pullback moment. Always. When we look at the 15 minutes charts, or let's put it on the 5-minute chart, you see it. The downtrend is very clear. And within the downtrend, you have a short pullback and then it goes back. Short pullback and then it goes back. Short pullback and then it goes back. And this is what is currently happening again. It has a short pullback and it will turn down. You see the pullback will hold a bit more and then it will turn down. That's why I'm not worried about this open position on gold. Not at all. It will hit his profit. But if you feel unconfident with it, once it's getting in profit, you can feel free to close it. Feel free to close it. Let's say right now how much you are down. It's getting now slowly. No, George, I don't think so. No, George, I don't think so. It's just, yes, gold is a risky asset and needs a lot of margin. That's why I didn't open any other trade except of the DAX position. With the DAX position, we made a small profit and I closed it because I want my margin free to be able to open gold, because as you see, gold has these very strong movements, and I'm trying to get them. And that's why I'm getting into gold, I'm getting out of gold, getting in. Like if I would have left my first position open, which I opened today, until now it would be around 12,000, yes, 12, more than, yeah, around 15,000 in profit. Yes, it would be around 15,000 in profit, but I prefer to close a position to secure my profits and open a new one, like instead of leaving a position open in such an asset like that, like gold, where you where the volatility is quite high. I mean, now you see gold is dropping again a bit. It will take, it's like the movements will slow down now. Like I'm thinking like throughout the day, maybe this will be my last position which I opened on gold. I will book my profits on this, and then for today I think I did already a good job and it's okay. If we close this trade also with around 2,000 profit, we will be overall 13,000 today. Come on, guys, within one day 13,000. Who's making this money, right? So maybe I will later on just close and go and watch the football game and enjoy a glass of beer on a Friday afternoon. This is my plan. And during weekend, well, actually, I don't drink beer. I'm from Germany and I don't drink beer. Yes, I don't like beer. Yes. However, Eve and me, Eve is not in today, I think. Yes, Eve is not in. Yesterday, we agreed that we will go for some shoe shopping. So today, we got another few bucks in our pocket to get another one pair of shoes. Nice. And you see gold is recovering, George, right? Tell me, what about your account, George? Gold is recovering. It will get there. We smell it. We smell the movement, the groove. So guys, so far we had a DAX position open, which we closed because we wanted some extra free margin availability for extra gold positions and movements. We see very strong downtrend on gold, and this is what we have been trading now in the afternoon, and we continue trading it, and hopefully we will close our fourth trade on gold live with you here. It's getting, George, what is now your loss? Tell me your open PL. Tell me what is now your open PL. Yeah, that's good. That's good. I think it's the half of this what you told me before. Yeah, you see, George, it's coming down. Come, baby, come. So all good. It will hit our take profit, and hopefully before we finish this session, so we can have another one nice ching ching moment in the afternoon. So Kyriakos, would you like to update us regarding the Forex side of trading? I see he is waiting to get you guys, and I'm passing the microphone.
Thank you very much, Elif. The trades we currently have open are doing okay. However, we see a drop in our unrealized profits. It was 4,000 before. Now it's currently a bit above $1,300. And the reason is because of this drop on dollar yen. Remember that we have two positions of long, 5 lots each on dollar yen, and also Aussie dollar started to go a bit up. That's why we see this decline in our profits. However, there is no reason to panic. We are closely monitoring them. Let's go a brief round of what we are doing. I mean, we have entered two positions, one in the morning, as you can see, 9 a.m. and one in the afternoon, long positions, dollar yen, targeting this price. Also, we have entered two short positions on Aussie dollar. Currently, we are in the money, but we want the Aussie dollar to drop a bit lower. Pound CHF, we have entered the short position, is more or less where we have shorted it, tried to decline a bit, now is hovering up again. We will see and check how it behaves. Our pound dollar position was not closed here with a take profit for a marginal difference. Is going up. Now we will see how it reacts. We have entered a short position on dollar CAD, which is our main loser for the moment. It seems that this trade will hit stop loss. However, we will keep it until the stop loss is hit, because many times markets go up, break that, they make a pseudo break, and then they turn down. So we will keep that as well. We were not closing anything. Dollar CHF is more or less the same behavior as dollar yen. It's hovering again and is more or less where we got it. And basically that's it. Dollar zloty, George, has a very big spread. So if it looks good, go for it. But it has a very big spread. I mean, the transaction cost you will have will be huge. Okay, remember that we are concentrating. Exactly. Better avoid it, George. Better avoid it. I mean, I have chosen 9 pairs. You see here, 9 pairs with a spread of less than 2 pips. So if you are going for a big movement, go for it. If you are talking about 50, 70 pips, go for it. But if you are talking for intraday trading, it's not a wise thing to trade these huge spreads on these pairs. Okay? So this is as far as the Forex trading is concerned. So would you go for it or not, George? Okay, good. Now, this is what we have. Currently, our biggest loser is dollar CAD. We are just, as you can see, around 8 pips away from our stop loss price. However, as we behave with profits, we will behave also with losses. We keep there and we keep in control our emotions. We don't get overexcited. We don't get disappointed. If today is not a good day, tomorrow or on Monday will be a better day. So you must always keep your emotions in place. Don't forget that, of course, you can get in contact with us, with me and my colleague Elif, to a one-to-one session if you want to discuss about your trading strategy, your trading system, to design together your money management and risk management strategy. We will be more than happy to assist you to achieve your targets in trading. So that's it basically from me. I don't have anything else to add. We will monitor everything, and remember, I'm not holding any positions for the weekend. We will hold positions Monday to Tuesday, Tuesday to Wednesday, Wednesday to Thursday, Thursday to Friday. But on Friday by 6 o'clock we end this session. We will close all our positions either in profit or with a loss. But until then, we still have 45 minutes to go. We don't have any important announcements to monitor. Currently, as I see on my Forex Live calendar, we have a few approaching. Just a moment to have a look on the figures. Not important announcements, of course, but let's have a look. The most important announcement for today was the $50 billion tariffs announced by Trump on Chinese products. And let me check Forex Live. There is absolutely nothing important to come up. I mean, we just have the Michigan consumer sentiment came out at 99.3 instead of 98.5. So that's it from me for the moment. Elif, do you want to add anything or? Yes, okay, I'm transferring you now to Elif.
Hello guys, I'm back to the game. So we have still our wait a minute, yes, our gold position open. It's straddling around our entry level, and this is giving me the sign of it's slowing down. The movement is slowing down. Once we are a bit in profit, I will close this position, and I agree on this point 100% with my colleague Kyriakos that we don't leave positions open during the weekend, because I think on Monday we discussed it with such a big gaps. Sometimes the market might open. That's why we keep it closed, all positions. So let's have a look. You see, we made today 3 trades in this afternoon on gold, and we made in total, here we have 4. Here we have, okay, we made around 11K on gold trades this afternoon. We sold gold. We have another one trade open, which is a good result. What you think, guys? For 3 trades within 1 hour of a trading session, it's not bad. I think we could get used to this kind of movements. And we have another one position. We have another one position which is right now running around. I'm even considering to tie up a bit the take profit, so it will hit, and we will close it before this session ends, because as you see, for the last half an hour the movement is quite small. Okay, it's just 20 minutes. This candle is just 20 minutes old, but it's a quite small movement, and this is showing me slowly that also gold is getting into the mood of Friday night. Is getting into a Friday night mood. So that's why I will shortly, in a short while, I will close the position on gold. Once it's a bit in profit, I will close it. So we go in the weekend and have a nice weekend and power for the next week. During the weekend, unfortunately, the markets are closed. That's why you have time to take care about the garden and watch a bit football. But on Monday morning, oh, on Monday morning, we will be ready. During weekends, Patrick, you can't trade because it's closed. There is only a Tadawul available on Sundays. Tadawul is the Arabian indice, but this weekend there is this Eid Barak, which ended, which is the celebration of the end of the month Ramadan, and so Tadawul will be closed as well this weekend. So anyway, weekends, especially this weekend, nothing to trade. But if you can't sleep on Sunday night, late in the Sunday night, early Monday morning hours, the Asian indices will be open, the Asian market will be open, and there also our forex pairs will be open. Hong Kong will be open. So if you are bored and early Monday morning, I'm talking about uh, midnight, the forex market will open, and also Hong Kong market and Hang Seng will be available. So if you like, feel free to trade in the early morning hours. But gold will be back as well at the early morning, Monday morning. But sometimes you need also this break, during the weekend to spend some time with the family and to digest what you did during the week, and also to set up a plan how you want to trade the upcoming week, because as Kyriakos told you many times, you need to have a trading plan. Before trading, you need to have a trading plan, and there is no universal one trading plan you can use. It's always based on you, on your personality, on your schedule, because let's say at some point in my life, when my job was not really related with forex, I had a 9 to 5 job, and yeah, the opening of DAX, I was never able to trade because I had to be on my desk working. So it wouldn't suit me to trade DAX, and was one of the reasons why I'm not working anymore over there. However, back to the trading plan, as I said, everybody needs to create his own trading plan which suits your time schedule and your aims and goals. So gold is still struggling around. George, as I said, Patrick, you guys, you are with me in gold. Once it will give us a small profit, I will close it. I will close the position, not because I don't believe in it. I'm sure during the late afternoon hours, it will reach a level which we put. But the movement is so slow right now. I just want to close the position before we finish this session. But if you guys want to keep it, feel free. I believe in it. I believe in the direction of this position, and there is a very strong downtrend, but the movements will get slower. So just be aware of it, that the movements will get slower, but I believe in the direction. So do you guys have any questions about anything? Today is Friday. We will close, and then I will see you again on Monday We can keep in touch on Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube. Yes, we will keep in touch. You can tweet me anytime you want on Trademy, on Twitter or on Facebook. We have a very nice Facebook page where we update you guys about the happenings, what's happening and what's going on and what we do. So you can post over there your opinions and questions, like us, thumbs up, thumbs down. I don't think so. We closed today in the afternoon sessions 3 positions until now on gold. We were all short. We made on those closed positions around 11K, not bad for one afternoon session. And I see our gold trade, which we have open, is waking up slowly, moving slowly in our direction. Once we get a bit of money, I will close this position and make a nice Friday evening closing. So guys, what about you? At what level you want to close this position? Patrick, George, what you would like to aim out of this position? Tell me. Tell me. Okay, I'm closing it. Ching, 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 ching. Ching, ching. We made another 2,700 bucks. That's good. George, Patrick, congratulations. We got some money out of it. This is how it should be. George, you were worried. Don't be worried. I see Kyriakos. I pass.
Okay, guys, it's time for us at Forex also to cash out. Currently, we have an unrealized profit on the Forex pairs, a bit above 2,500 euros. So I'm cashing out for the day. That's 2,700 euros profit from intraday trading. That's not bad at all. So we are closing all our positions, 2,700 euros. And that's it for the week. As you can see, we have cashed out $2,700 and we have decreased our daily loss from $6,700 down to a bit more than $3,300 for the day. It happens. Losses are also part of the game. So that's it from me for the moment. We have realized some nice profits at the end of $2,700. And that's it from me. I would like to wish you a nice weekend and hopefully we will see you again on Monday at 8 o'clock UTC time. We are trading live again with you and I would like to wish you a nice weekend to you, to your families, and enjoy the weekend ahead. Elif, do you have anything else to add or shall we close this session?
Just a short update, guys. Thank you, Kyriakos. We made on gold today 4 trades with a total profit of 6,000. Over there, 11,000. A bit around. A bit around 14,000 we made today on gold. Not bad, I think. Right. Thank you guys for this wonderful Friday afternoon session. Gold made our weekend nice. I wish you all guys a nice weekend. See you on Monday and have a nice afternoon. See you on Monday. Bye bye, guys.